Hi there and welcome to another YouTube video. Today we have a San Diego Comic-Con 2015 Pinkie as a chicken pie. Now this is a huge 10-inch bucket style container. We can have a little look at that. It is really big. And to open it, we push from the bottom. There we go. There is a Pinkie pie as a chicken pie. Can we zoom in on that one? And this is a 6-inch figure, so more or less the same as the fashion size that we can get. There we go. Pinkie pie with the sweeties. And this comes with the detachable beak, detachable really fluffy chicken outfit, and we've got a little loot bag here for the trick-or-treating fun. Nice little 6-inch figure. You want to zoom in on that one so we can have a look? And this really is quite fluffy, fully detachable. Can we have a zoom in on that one?
Yep.
There we are, the 2015 San Diego Comic-Con Pinkie pie as chicken pie.
Do you think this was a good buy?
I'm not really keen on the fashion sized ponies, to be honest. I prefer the smaller G4, but it's quite nice. It's really fluffy. Yeah, I quite like this one. It's a bit different.
Yeah.
I don't know why it's gone as a chicken, but it's quite cute. It's very soft. It's very fluffy. And you can take the outfit off if you want a normal fashion sized chicken Pinkie pie.
A very nice box.
It is a nice box.
How much would you rate it then?
I would give it a 7 out of 10.
Why?
Just because it is a 6-inch fashion style Pinkie pie. It's got no glitter, no sparkle.
Yeah.
But it's cute and it's fluffy. I can imagine that it will be well liked. Yeah, it's different from the rest. So, yeah.
Anything else you want to add to it?
No, that's about all.
Well, thank you very much for watching. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe the video. There is a subscribe button somewhere up there. Thank you very much, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.
Bye.